A little monkey and a fish. One morning, a little baby monkey was playing in a tree while his mother picked fruit. The little baby monkey was picking leaves. He was happy. He picked all the leaves off one branch. So he jumped to another branch. Crack! The branch broke. As the little monkey fell, a big fish jumped out of the water. But a strong hand reached out just in time and saved the little monkey. The next morning, the little monkey went back to picking leaves. The little monkey threw some more leaves into the water. Then, all of a sudden, aha! Smart little monkey! He learned how to keep himself safe in the tree.